In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an intent in Zendesk AI using the Admin Center. We'll keep this simple and clear, so by the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to set up. Before we begin, make sure you can sign into your Zendesk account and that you have access to the Admin Center and AI features. If your role is restricted, you may need an admin to grant you access. Start by opening Zendesk in your browser and signing into your workspace. Once you're on your main dashboard, look for the product tray, the menu that groups all Zendesk products and settings. Open that and select Admin Center. This is the hub where you manage configuration across your account. Inside the Admin Center, find the section labeled AI. This is where Zendesk centralizes tools for automated understanding and routing. Choose Intent. Intents are labels that represent what a customer is trying to do or ask. Things like resetting a password, checking an order status, or updating billing information. They help your bots and workflows recognize user goals and route conversations or surface content accordingly. Click Create Intent. You'll be prompted to input your desired settings. Give your intent a short, descriptive name that clearly reflects a single purpose. For example, instead of something broad, keep it specific so your automations can make accurate decisions. Add a helpful description so teammates know when to use it and what type of messages it should capture. If your setup allows for examples or training phrases, enter a few natural, real-world customer messages that match the intent. Think about the different ways a user might say the same thing, including synonyms and common misspellings. This improves recognition and reduces confusion with similar intents. If language or locale options are available, choose the primary language your audience uses to further improve accuracy. As you configure the intent, keep related intents distinct and avoid overlap. Clear boundaries help your AI route conversations correctly. If there's a place to set confidence preferences, aim for a balanced threshold that avoids both false positives and missed matches. You can always refine this later based on performance. When everything looks good, confirm to create or save the intent. That's it. You've added a new intent to Zendesk AI. From here, you can reference it in your flows, automations, or bot logic to improve routing and responses. Quick recap. Open Zendesk, go to the product tray, enter the Admin Center, choose AI, select intent, click, create intent, and input your settings. Keep names specific. Provide clear descriptions, add realistic examples, and you'll be set for reliable intent detection.